how to block all incoming calls on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block all incoming calls on your iPhone with the new update. Whether you're looking for peace and quiet or just need some time without interruptions, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and simply tap on Focus. If you're using an older version, it might still be labeled as Do Not Disturb. Now, you can either use the default Do Not Disturb mode or create a custom focus mode if you want to block all calls during specific times or activities. Now, let's stick with Do Not Disturb for now. Simply tap on it. Once you're in the Do Not Disturb settings, you can choose to allow calls from certain people or groups, but to block all incoming calls you need to make sure allow calls from is set to no one, or allow notification from, and from here, as you can see, allow repeated calls. Make sure to toggle this option off, and once you've done that, make sure the option to silence is set to always as well. Now simply tap on allowed people only. Now from this, no one will be able to call you as we have not allowed notification from any people. And to test it out, just swipe down from the control center and simply tap on Focus and turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and make sure to call, or make sure to make anyone to call you, and see if the notifications are silenced or not. And that's it. Now you know how to block all incoming calls on your iPhone with the new update.